Welcome to High Octane Hustle. I'm Fastlane Jane.
And I'm Design Muse.
And we are super stoked that you guys are here. Wow. Holy cow. Oh my gosh.
Joke.
Oh
Yes,
my God.
yes.
Yeah, that's amazing. So
who are these ladies?
We're just the stand-in comedians for this show. I don't know.
I love it. Oh my gosh. So this is Krista.
What's up, guys?
And that's her friend Katie.
I'm just a +1 here.
I love
you
this.
got the invitation.
I love this.
The +1. So, Krista, who are you? Step in.
Tell us and our audience about you.
Okay, audience. My name is Krista Baldwin, and I drive a top fuel dragster in the NHRA.
Go, go,